Champagne cake, a typical Korean dessert. Champagne cake is a traditional Korean dessert that has become a popular sweet treat around the world. This sweet and sticky rice cake is made from glutinous rice flour, sugar, and red bean paste, and is often served as a dessert or snack. The origins of champagne cake can be traced back to the Joseon dynasty in Korea, where it was first created as a special treat for the royal family. Over time, the dessert became popular throughout Korea and is now enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds. To make champagne cake, glutinous rice flour is mixed with water and sugar to form a dough. The dough is then rolled into small balls and filled with sweet red bean paste. The balls are then rolled in sesame seeds before being steamed, which gives them a chewy and slightly sticky texture. One of the unique features of champagne cake is its use of red bean paste. Red bean paste is a common ingredient in many Korean desserts and is made from red beans that are cooked and mashed with sugar. The paste has a sweet and slightly nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the chewy texture of the rice cake. Champagne cake is often served as a dessert or snack and can be found in Korean bakeries and cafes around the world. In Korea, it is often enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee and is a popular sweet treat to enjoy with friends and family. In addition to its delicious taste, champagne cake is also a popular gift during holidays and special occasions in Korea. The dessert is often packaged in decorative boxes and given as a gift to friends, family, and business associates. Overall, champagne cake is a delicious and unique dessert that is a must-try for anyone interested in Korean cuisine. Whether you're looking for a sweet treat to enjoy with your morning coffee or a special gift to give to a loved one, champagne cake is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. There's more to know about champagne cake. In addition to the traditional red bean paste filling, champagne cake can also be filled with other sweet fillings such as sweet potato, chestnut, or sesame seeds. Some variations may also include a layer of sweetened peanut powder or coconut flakes for added texture and flavor. Champagne cake is often enjoyed during special occasions in Korea such as weddings, birthdays, and holidays. It is also a popular snack for students and office workers to enjoy during breaks or as a midday treat. Aside from its delicious taste, champagne cake is also known for its nutritional benefits. Glutinous rice flour is a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy, and red beans are high in protein and fiber. Sesame seeds used to coat the rice cake balls are also a good source of healthy fats and minerals such as calcium and magnesium. In recent years, champagne cake has gained popularity outside of Korea and can be found in Korean restaurants and bakeries around the world. It is also a popular item at food festivals and cultural events, where people can sample a variety of Korean cuisine and desserts. In conclusion, champagne cake is a delicious and unique dessert that is a must-try for anyone interested in Korean cuisine. Whether you enjoy the traditional red bean paste filling or opt for a different filling, champagne cake is a sweet treat